All right, hi guys. This is Toby. We're gonna do some modifications to help you get into crow pose using a couple blocks. So go ahead and grab one or maybe two blocks. And if your knees are okay, we're just gonna go ahead and come into a yoga squat. Toes will start a little bit outward, knees are pointing a little bit outward. You might get into the hips a little bit. We're going to grab the blocks. One is going to go under the forehead, or it'll be there in case you feel like you're going to fall forward onto your forehead. And take the other one and place it maybe kind of in between the feet. You might have to kind of adjust where these blocks are. All right, spread the fingers wide. Your wrist is under the shoulder. Your elbow is pointing directly back behind you. So everything's in a line. Fingers are spread wide. And we're going to start to lean forward. Okay, engage the bandhas. Pelvic floor, lower belly. And we're just going to start to bring the toes on top of the block. So your knees, can be anywhere on the upper arm. It can be all the way to the armpit, or it can be a little bit more on the tricep. All right, so start to lean forward. All right, as you see, I'm going to adjust the block so it can go under the forehead just in case you feel like you're going to fall. So start to lean forward. You do want to gaze forward actually, but coming onto the tippy toes. Point one foot and then the other towards the back. Maybe you can move the block or maybe not. And then when you're ready, you'll just release back down. All right, so here we go. Place the knees on the upper arms. Do try to kind of squeeze them inward just a little bit. Your gaze is going a little bit forward, your soft gaze. And we'll try it again. Again, maybe you just point one foot and then the other. Keep the lower back going upward. And go ahead and release it down. Release the wrist, roll them out, pull them, and shake them. And there you go. Hopefully you had fun getting into our crow pose, little crow pose tips. Thanks.